So today I'm going to work on this lamb pillow that I upcycled from a bedspread. And here's the pattern. I just made the pattern up. I didn't use any specific measurements. I've got the head, the ears, the tail, the body, and the legs. I'm using one pattern piece for 8 pieces for the legs. 2 pattern pieces for the ears, 2 pattern pieces for the face, 2 pattern pieces for the tail, and 2 pattern pieces for the body. So here I am cutting out the body. I'm just cutting out 1 piece at a time. So I'm giving myself about 1/8 of an inch perimeter around the pillow, around the pattern I should say, and just giving it a small seam allowance. I'm cutting it out a little larger, but I'm giving it 1/4 of an inch seam allowance. As you see, I've pinned it down, and there is the front of the lamb. Okay, there's the back of the lamb that I've cut out. And so now I have 2 pattern pieces. Okay, there's the head. And I'm making sure, because I'm using velvet, so I'm making sure that I have the left and the right side of the head. And there I am sewing on the tail. And then I'm going to close it up and stuff it, and then my lamb is done. So here I am, just a really quick video to show you how I upcycled a quilt that was embroidered. Hopefully this video has inspired you to pull out some linens or towels or something that you have laying around that you're not using, and you can upcycle it into a lamb or maybe some other Easter bunny rabbit or something, and yeah, make your own. There's the head with the ears, and there's the finished product. Okay, I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification button.